Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, yes, I go by the name Lollipop. Yes, I've got an update for you, and it is about Pasuma wonder Oganla. Yes, he's in the news. Yes, he has gone to the Oloffa of Offa land. He has gone to pay courtesy visits to His Royal Highness Oganla. So he has gone there to pay a courtesy visit to him, and the Alabi Musbao CEO just got a chieftaincy title of Bobajiruru of Offa. Yes, we say Oyamorio Baba, and we say Kabiyesi to the king, and we say well done to you, kudos to Pasuma Wonder. So you can watch the video, guys.